Welcome to Saigon Printer, your first choice. We are here in Vietnam to print for you. We produce garments as well. Is Vietnam on your radar? Do you need garments made using beautifully printed fabric in small quantity? Saigon Printer is a full-service one-stop shop for fabric printing and garment manufacturing. We aim to be your first choice. Hi, my name is Chris Walker. I work together with Saigon Printer to promote all fabric, printing, sewing, and accessory factories in Vietnam. Combined, our team has more than 40 years' experience in Vietnam, and we have a network spanning from Hai Phong to Cà Mau, north to south of Vietnam. If our production is full, then we will introduce you to our partners. What printing technology is best for you? Are you looking for sublimation printing, screen printing, direct to garment, direct to film, or some hybrid variation thereof? You name it, we can print it on fabric. We print under our own roof, and we have a partner sewing factory literally 1 minute walk away. May we sew your garments as well? Sportswear, activewear, surf shorts, recycled bags, shoes, you name it, we will decorate it. Life is too short for solid colors. We assume that this is not your first time to the ball game. How can we serve you better than your current supplier? Communication, quality control, price point, delivery time, or smaller quantity? Give us a chance and we will do our best to hit one out of the park for your team. Will we meet your quality standard? Do you need to meet military specs? We have our own lab for testing, and we are good friends with SGS and Intertech here in Ho Chi Minh City. Let us know in advance, and we will achieve the score you need or give you your money back. We have 25 staff, and we're hiring. Our team consists of Singaporeans, Vietnamese, Chinese, and Americans. We welcome all nationalities and languages. We have 4 industrial high-speed digital printers and 2 calendaring transfer machines. We have a close relationship with a brand new factory that specializes in down jackets, padded jackets, and seam-sealed jackets. During the off-season, they make basic garments like surf shorts, activewear, and hoodies. Our partnerships open up endless possibilities. We have a philosophy and we stand by it. Just as you promise to deliver to your fans, we promise to deliver to you, so that you think of us first when it's time to reorder. Let's schedule a chat on Zoom, WhatsApp, Zalo, WeChat, or Skype. Sunny, Bella, and I are ready to listen to your needs, give our advice, and quote you a price. Our company is registered in District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City, and our factory is 1.5 hours outside of Ho Chi Minh City by car. Google Saigon Printer Co., and Google Maps will show you where we are. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.